Starting off our room tour. All right, so checking out Portside Orleans. This is room 9930. Really neat over here. Go turn on these lights. Loving the decor here. You got your princesses on the wall here. Just love the theming right here, how they got this. Pretty fancy. Getting that Tiana vibe. Oh, it was Princess Tiana. Look at that. That's really cool. There's your little love note from her. Check out this little area over here. So you got your TV. Welcome Gibson family. Pretty neat. Got another photo of Princess Tiana over here. And you got your nice little curtain for privacy. Let's check it out over here. And yeah, I'm pretty cold, guys. Really cold. Got you some of that Disney H2O. Check out that sink. This is actually my first time staying at a modern Disney resort. So I've always done the All Stars and Pop, but I've never done something like this before. So pretty neat. Let's check out the bathroom. Excuse me. Nothing too fancy. Of course, you got your shampoo, conditioner here. Got you a tub. Nothing too crazy. Just like, a standard Disney moderate resort. Got your toilet. We'll go ahead and do the toilet flush. I like to do that. Tortoise level 4 out of 5 flush right there. All right, so pretty neat. Got you a safe here. Not big enough to store like a laptop in here, but just like, your little things you might need would work. And it looks like you got a little tablet here. Come back over here. Don't really know much about these. I'll have to play around with that. And you got some hooks. So yeah, this is the tour for Port Orleans Riverside. And I sure forgot to mention walking in, we had a little bit of some Disney magic right here with our little Disney towel. And here's Olivia already playing, so they've already broken into beds. I did forget to put it here. Here's some drawers you can store stuff in. And your freezer is going to be right here. And one last thing I will add to this is, looking for seaports. They're not there, just your standard plug-in right here.